Just take way too much of my energy. I look up and the whole room's spinning. You take my cares away.
Hey guys, welcome to the video. Excuse the state of me, but I'm having like a lazy day and just organising my room. Obviously my makeup has needed to be organised for a long time now, but I've just been putting it off and like I don't even know where to start. I mean, I have made a start, but I don't even know what to do next. Like there's empty packets. I'm just gonna try get all the like different things together, like highlighter, highlighter, highlighter. Do you know what I mean? I feel like that's a good idea. Everything is filthy as well. It's like covered in dust and powder. Like my powder exploded a few weeks ago actually, so that's probably what's all over everything. Hairbrush can go. Picture. Just gonna shove that under there. Realistically, like all these drawers need to be organised. So the drawers there, my Alex ones, and then I've like already cleaned those palettes and stuff. So yeah. Oh, what the hell is that? I really should be cleaning my makeup brushes. I have YouTube on in the background. I'm too lazy to. I really should be cleaning my brushes, but not today. Basically, these drawers I just haven't organised since I got them. I did the last 3 with like tan and other stuff like that, but I haven't put any makeup in them, so they're like done. But this has like random stuff that I've like already got, so I'm keeping them for like either a giveaway or else like if I run out, you know, just like random things. And there was mostly makeup and skincare stuff. And here is my makeup stuff. No, this is the first eyeshadow palette I ever bought. It's like a year to make a palette in, so I bought the second one. Then I found the first one and bought that as well. Where is that actually? I never use it though, it's like that. I'm not Georgia. Hey guys, today I'm going to IKEA. I'm going to get new drawers for my room. And probably like a little bit as well. Tracksuit from Penny's and my hair in a bun. My makeup, love of my life, and my new runners as well. These are the Nike Air 270s and JD as well.
Another night, another party. Saying hi to
So I'm currently outside James' school collecting him. Look at the back of my car. This is like digging into my back. You can be in it too if you want. Do you want to be in it?
Yeah, I don't mind.
Can you see? Am I in it?
Yeah, looking at it now.
Okay. Well, the last time I think I vlogged I was in IKEA, but since then I went to Nando's. Me and Beef went to Nando's, Chamsy.
Oh, nice.
Then yeah, then I just collected Chamsy from school. And now we're on the way home, and it's Friday, and it's 4:30, and there's so much traffic, and it's starting to rain. But it's still Friday.
Yeah.
Yoo-hoo. I'm home, and I'm honestly absolutely exhausted. I have a blanket on. My baby doggy and tea. So I don't know what I'm doing for the evening yet, but I was meant to edit a video. I have 2 to edit. haven't put one up in a week. Oh no. So yeah, now I'll probably do a bit of that now, but honestly I would love to go for a nap. Like I'd die to go for a nap, but I don't have time to go for a nap because I think I'm going to Dundrum later. Oh. Oh. I'm just gonna have my tea and my Twix, and then I'm probably gonna just edit my video. I didn't even carry in my drawers. I took in like the small stuff that I got. I must show you them. Actually I'll show you everything later on. And yeah, I can't, like, me and my friend Aoife was with me as well, the two of us between us couldn't lift the drawers, the box of the drawers were in, like literally between the two of us. So yeah, I don't know, I'm hoping, my hair is annoying me, I'm hoping that my dad, hoping that my dad can do it. I don't know if he will though, and like I don't think his back is great anyway, so I don't know. Maybe my brother or brothers. So dramatic, like it's just flipping drawers. Why are they that heavy? It's actually crazy. I was like,
I don't know which is that's what's delayed construction. It feels bad for them.
I'm to cry.
Do something like they have a thing here. Like before we put it together, if I bought these little slips.
It's completely finished now except for this like board thing, and it obviously sticks up on it, and I'm gonna hang that up like a bit higher. So yeah, because it's just like chilling on that now, so I need to like put something up so I can screw it up. So the drawers are finally organised. Have this one for my pyjamas and some tops that wouldn't fit in here. Tops. What's that red thing? And then chargers in the bottom. So yeah. Now I just have to do the rest of my room. Like I need to change my sheets and everything and hoover and sort over here because it's a flipping mess. I thought I'd show you what else I got when I was in IKEA. So I also got these fake flowers. Now I actually feel like they look really empty now, so I'm probably going to go back and get like 3 or 4 more. These like rose ones are my favourite. I think the roses were 95 cents each and these ones were like 50 cents each, and then the vase is like a fibre. I need to like take all these off and like make them look nice. And then I also got these like stone things to go in the end, and I don't know, I might use them for something else as well. I feel like I will. They were like 175 I think. So yeah, that was all I got. And my drawers obviously. That's all. I just wanted to show you guys that. I need to still sort them out. But yeah, so that's what I got. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.